Gotcha. Gotcha, buddy.
Good morning, everybody. I'm out here on Lake Guntersville. I'm fishing with Southern Mid-Tennessee kayak anglers. This will be my first time fishing with this club. It's their number 5 event for the year, and yeah, it's cold out here, late winter, and we're gonna be throwing. I'm gonna start off with a lipless crank today. I got the A-rig tied on and a couple other baits, so hopefully we'll catch our limit today. It's only a limit of 3. I'm used to doing 5 limits on these tournaments, so catching 3 solid fish today will be key. So my first goal is just to catch 3, so we'll see how we do.
All right, y'all. This is my PB crappie. Holy freaking crap, this is a slab, a rooski. Holy smokes. I am going to measure this guy. Only because this thing has to be 16 inches. Oh, no. Anyway, he got to 15. That was a 15-inch crappie. Oh my gosh, that was insane. Oh, yeah, here's this. Got one, boys. Got one. Got a good one. This one feels good. Feels really good. Oh, it's barely on, barely on, barely on. Oh, got it. That's what we're here for, guys. Got the 10-pounder. I wish he was 10 pounds. Don't you jump. All right, we're not gonna make the same mistake we did with that crappie. We're gonna put the net in front of the measuring board. But guys, this is what we're here for. It's about a 15.5-er if I had to guess. Maybe 16.5. So this is how I set it up. I'm gonna dip the catch board in the water. And we always keep the net right here, so if the fish decides to jump, it'll jump right into the net. We're going to be sitting at, may get 17 out of this one. I'll get 17. Got a little bit of a deformity going on with his lip. It'll make it a little hard for me to Might just be a bunch of grass. That's a fish. That's a monster. I think I just found a bunch of grass. I'll find out. It surfaces. I think I just found a clump of grass, Gooski. What do we got here? Man, if that was a fish, that would have been a monster. Man, oh man. Right now I'm just covering water. I'm out near the channel markers and about looking at Fish Brain app. It's saying the water is right around 9 to 10 feet. Not really sure if that's accurate. There's another app called Deep Dive that I look at sometimes, and it's saying the water is down a foot. So essentially I can be in 8 to 9, I guess. Water clarity is stained, but not too bad. It's on the lighter end of it. Using a Yo Zuri, I think it's called the One Knocker, in the red crawl color. It's got kind of a flat finish to it. It's not a shiny glossy lure. So far I've caught a 15-inch crappie. They jumped off the board as I was measuring it, so I didn't get a picture of it, but I think the footage is still on there, so that's good. We'll see if the GoPro caught it. I don't know if this chest mount was down enough for it, but yeah, that was pretty cool. And then I just landed a 17 and a quarter. We'll see if we can get it to measure. Yeah, running in the grass, kind of just I'm hitting a lot of hydrilla right now. Yeah, it's 8:30. I've got one fish on the board. Need 2 more to get my limit. Hoping to find a couple of fish near the 20-inch mark. It'd be nice to get the win and the big bass today. It's possible. We'll see how we do. Oh, that was a bite, y'all. That was a bite. 100% a bite. That's my fault. That was not clean. That was not clean on me. I bent my flipping fingernail back too on that. All right, come on. All right, buddy. He's got one over here. Good job. All right, guys. I know I'm in the right area. They're here. They are here. Gotcha. Gotcha, buddy. That's a good one. Got him. Told you I was in the right place, y'all. I told you. I told you. Barely had him. Holy smokes. He was about to get off. One barb out of 6. Whew. All right. All right, y'all. Fish number 2. They're out here near the channel. The channel. So what we got, huh? If I can get a half out of you. Nope. All right, guys. This is a 16 1/4. Double check my placement here. Everything looking good. Right. I think we got maybe a 14 incher maybe, or we're lucky. Right. They're schooled up out here. His fin is all fricked up. I might get a 15 out of this guy. Settles down. That's a 15. Gotcha. Y'all, I found him. I am on him. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. What is this? It's a big one, guys. It's a big one. My goodness, guys. This one is bigger than my first. I'm pretty sure this is a 19. Man. Hooked into the net. Let me get that done. Okay. Get you out of here. Let me tell you something. I'm catching them. I found them. This girl dad has found the fish. Let's get this measured. I'm back in the water. Relax, relax, relax. 18. 18. Got 18 and a quarter. Oh, I got you, boy. Got you, boy. My first A-rig fish, guys. I don't think it's gonna help me. Got him. There I go. On the page. This one's not gonna help me. But it's my first Alabama rig fish. I'm gonna take a picture of that. It's a milestone. All right, y'all, this is my first Alabama rig fish. Go ahead and throw her back in. Gotcha, boy. but you may be right. It's a beautiful little spot. Yeah, nice little spot. Pretty nice when you're just throwing fish back, even if they measure. Oh yeah, that one's a good one, y'all. That one feels better. I don't know. It might measure better than my... I don't know if that's actually better than the 16 I had earlier. If it's anything, it's probably 16 on the button. $15.25. The mouth is not that big on it. But it's a fun catch, guys. I definitely do not hate the A-rig bite. Largemouth. Yes, sir. So far I've caught some small spotted bass, a handful of largemouth. I'm usually more of a bank and shallow fisherman. I don't typically come out middle of channel, so it's definitely a different style of fishing. It's the first time I'm fishing this club, so I figured I'll go outside my comfort zone and confidence just a little bit, just to try something different. And today, one of my goals besides catching my limit was also catching my first bass on an A-rig, which I'm up to 5 fish now on this thing. And even better, doing it in the state of Alabama. Well, there's I think 12 anglers in this thing today, so I'm feeling pretty confident I could break the top 10. So that's kind of a goal. maybe top 5. Maybe, I don't know. This lake is known for its monster sized bass, and these guys that are fishing this club are very used to this lake, and I'm not, so I feel like I'm a little bit at a disadvantage in that regard, and also lacking the electronics to stay on top of them. I was hoping to find a sponsor to help me with my technology build this year. A couple of the companies I reached out to just didn't see it as a right fit for them at this time. So that's kind of a kind way to put it. But I'm saving up. I'm pro staff with Old Town, so Humminbird is owned by Johnson Outdoors, which is the parent company of Old Town. So my goal is to get the Mega Live 2 on top of their Explore unit. Probably gonna get a 9-inch screen. I would like to get the 10, but it's about $500, $700 more. I think for my price, $600 more just for that inch. So I can't really justify that. But that's my goal. Get that unit on. I don't think I'll have it this season, but definitely by next year. Oh my gosh. I am calling my 16. Woo! Yes, sir. Barely. Well, this one was hooked pretty good, actually. All right, this should call. This feels like a 17. Ooh, it's gonna be close. Yes, sir. It's gonna call. I'm probably gonna be able to get a. Come on, shut your mouth. I got you. Relax, 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 relax. Yes. Had a hit right there. Gotcha. Oh boy. He trying to come up. Oh, he's got some size. Oh, it looked bigger. Did something jump behind you? You was a jokester. Another spot. They're catching spots today. Pretty little fish. Hey guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. It was a special day today out there on Lake Guntersville. That lake is truly, truly legendary, and I had a blast out there. I wasn't able to film an outro out on the water. My GoPros died, so here I am, unloaded, ready to get in the shower and relax. It was a long day. It was a fun day, and I want to give a big thanks to SMTNKA for hosting the event today. It was fun. 15 people fished it today. There was 4 that unfortunately got skunked, and then I finished in 4th place with 52.5 inches. And the top 3, congrats to y'all. I missed money by 1/4 of an inch, and that's a bummer. I was excited listening to some of the guys talk. I was thinking, well, maybe I cracked the top 3, but big congrats to those that did. But also, today was great. I caught 18 fish and then 1 crappie, and that crappie, I wish I could have got a picture of it for y'all. That thing was, I thought it was 16 inches, but as I laid it on the board, it only got to the 15-inch mark before he jumped off the board and back into the water. But that thing was a slab, and I would have loved to have a stringer and bring that one home. But other than that, I had 7 spotted bass, and then the rest were largemouth. And yeah, it was special. Any day that you can catch 18 fish, 19 fish with the crappie is a great day. Even if you're not in a tournament, that's just a great day of fishing. So really blessed to have the opportunity to do this. I want to thank Old Town for their sponsorship. I also want to thank Volt One for keeping me on the water with my electronics. I'm currently without a graph right now, as you've seen in the video. Hopefully that'll change. If not by the end of this season, by the next season, next year. So, but big thank you to everybody. And before I jump off this, you know, I always have a girl dad joke. What do you call a fish that wears a bow tie? Sophisticated. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys watching. If you could, just like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any suggestions for Gville when I get out there in the future, or just want to comment on anything that you saw today. That'd be great. And also, I just want to leave you with this: from my family to yours, keep casting.